Greetings. A long cylindrical vessel is half filled with a liquid. Okay, it is half filled with a liquid. When the vessel is rotated about its vertical axis, the liquid rises up near the walls. Okay, this is what we generally observe. If the radius of the vessel is 5 centimeter and the rotation speed is 2 rotations per second, then the difference in the height between the center and the sides is. So he is asking what is the difference in the heights between the center and the sides. And they have given the certain values like g is equal to 10 meter per second square and pi square is equal to 10. This is what he is asking us to take. So whenever it starts whirling means along an axis, okay, this is an axis of the cylinder. When it starts whirling about the things, okay, then it forms a shape of a cone, right? So we can observe these things. It will form a shape of a cone, and the from here to here the radius is smaller. What they have given is. Now generally this force is due to a centrifugal force or a centripetal force. Am I right? Generally, if this is a point where I'm actually calculating the things, it is at a distance x. Then at this point, I have a centripetal force or centrifugal force given by m omega square x, okay, which is actually forming a small area here, which is actually covering a small area here, okay. Okay, so this is the thing. And now the same thing, if you take here, this downward pull is our mg. So if this is theta, then along this direction it will be m omega square x cos theta, okay, and on resolving this along this direction it will be mg sine theta, because this is 90 minus theta, this is 90, again this will be 90 minus theta, therefore mg cos 90 minus theta is mg sine theta. Therefore, these two forces are equal and they are in equilibrium. Therefore, we can write m omega square x cos theta must and should be equal to mg sine theta. Okay. So, for this small position, okay, we can write mm gets cancelled. We can write sine theta divided by cos theta is equal to omega square x divided by g. This is nothing but tan theta. The tan theta is nothing but for a small angle change, that is the slope we are calculating because we want this height. Okay, for that I am calculating the slope for a small length. Okay, for a small length, that is dx, that is equal to omega square x divided by g. Therefore, dy is equal to omega square x divided by g into dx. Therefore, integrating on both sides, we get dy, and omega square by g is constant, integral of x dx. This is going from 0 to h, and this will go from 0 to r. So that is the maximum height that it can go. Therefore, on simplifying this, this will become h is equal to omega square. This will be x square from 0 to r divided by 2g. This implies that omega square r square divided by 2g. So we got the things here. So here, instead of omega, he has given 2 rotation per seconds. But we know that omega is equal to 2 pi f, where f is equal to 2 rotation per seconds, that is equal to 4 pi. Okay, because already it is 2 2s are 4 pi radian per second. And next thing is g value he has given it as 10 meters second square, and this distance r is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So using all these things here in this equation, we'll get 2 pi f into r square divided by 2g, that is equal to 4 pi whole square into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square divided by 2 into 10. 4 square we know it is 16, into pi square he has given in a question only, that is equal to 10 into 25 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by 2 into 10. 10 gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2 eights are. So now the final thing is, okay, we have to do these things. 8 into 25, what is 8 into 25 we'll have is approximately 200 into 10 to the power of minus 4. But here, if you see, the answer he is asking in terms of centimeters. Therefore, since he is asking the answer in centimeters, we can write it as 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. That is nothing but 2 centimeters. So, our final answer would be 2 centimeters. So, we will check. It is given an option. Okay, option A is the right option. I hope you understood this. Thank you.